Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an account for your Weverse application. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. But before that, if you haven't downloaded this application yet, make sure to check our other video where you can learn how you can easily download and install this application on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, open Weverse app on your phone. This is what the first page looks like. There you will see all the access required to get started for this application. And to get started, simply click on Start Weverse. Then you can select the preferred language for you. For me, it's going to be English. And then click on Next. Then you will see all the features of this application, which ranges from fans from all of the globe inside your community feed to meeting your artists in real time live. And those are features. You can simply swipe them to see those. And to get started, simply click on Join/Login. There you will have the option to create an account using your email or even getting started with your Twitter or your Google account or your Apple account. Here I'm going to use email, so obviously you'll have to enter your valid email. After you're done entering your email, click on Continue with this email. You will have to continue with Join Now. So doing that will confirm that you're going to continue with the email that you just provided. Click on Join Now. Then you will be required to enter a password. Create a password for yourself, and there are some instructions for you to create a password. After you're done creating a password, confirm the password again and then click on Next. Then after you click on Next, you will have to create a nickname for yourself. You will also see the suggested nickname for you. I'm just going to keep it that. And after that, click on Next. You will have to agree terms of use, and you can simply do that by clicking on the little circle. It will be changed into a little tick mark, and after you're done, click on Next located at the bottom of your screen. And then you will be asked to verify your email. You will receive an email on your email address. Go ahead and check your mail. You will then receive an email like this. If you scroll through, you will see Verify Email button there. Simply click there to verify your email. After that, you will be taken back to this application to the login page. You can simply log in by using the email that you entered previously, and that's it. You have now successfully created a Weverse account. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more updates.